We do have the APL35. This is probably what you've been waiting for in this video if you're looking for a 12-volt fridge. This is their latest and greatest. It's available in black and in silver. And one of the reasons why I like this fridge is because it does have a micro nano compressor, which is really quiet. Inside the camper, anything that rattles, anything that hums, it can get pretty loud in there. So that's one of the reasons why ICECO has always been a go-to for me. I did even have a APL20 back in the day when I had the canopy camper. That's where Talia had her milk and her bananas and pretty much everything that Talia ate was in there. And that fridge we kept inside the camper because it was quiet. The other fridge that I had was a little louder, so we kept that in the cab of the truck. But with the 4.0 camper, I wanted something that was small. Obviously the fact that it's black, aesthetically it looks nice. My interior is black, and again, it is really lightweight, weighs about 32 pounds, and it's really quiet. Now this particular model does come with a dual zone, so in the case that I want to take some ice cream or want to take some fish and keep it frozen, the ability to have that option is also nice. Now if we're driving, I want to check the temperature. I don't always have to stop and come back and look at the temperature. It does have a Bluetooth option, so I can check that as well. And yeah, it's pretty rad. Now, aside from all the really cool features that it offers, by the way, I forgot something that I actually love too, is this lid here. You see that? It stays in place. There's other models that don't have that option or don't do that. You're trying to reach in there and the lid's on the way and you're trying to keep it up. That can be pretty annoying. So definitely a nice option. But something super simple that I love about this fridge is this bottom section here is magnetic. So you're probably thinking, well, George, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna put a Yosemite magnet souvenir or whatever? You can do that. You can make it your own, especially in a camper, or, you know, when you have some type of traveling or off-road rig or road trip rig. You know, you want to make it cozy. You want to make it your own. But you know me, I love my Easy Supplies product. I just happened to get this at the last expo. I can put that there. I can put some spices while I'm cooking right now, just making a meal, just pretending, right? Pretend. Or I can grab a drink, crack it open, cheers, and have a cup holder. How cool is that?